Hey guys, wanted to step in just to quickly give you a walkthrough of this kind of workflow for prompting deep research to find niche databases. So you can use the prompt template that we shared, and then all you have to do is just change, obviously, what the ICP information is. If this is the first time you see anything like this, when you hit the prompt, more often than not, it will ask you follow-up questions because it wants to make sure it knows exactly what you want before it goes in. It's going to spend like 10 minutes doing this usually. You can see the activity that the LLM is doing, which is really cool. I'm using GPT here. You can use Perplexity. You can use Gemini. I think Claude even has this feature now. You can see all the resources that it aggregated as well. Again, the point of this is that back in the day, only a couple of years ago, you would have a human do this, and it would take them weeks to surf the entire online space on Google to try to find directories. This is a 10-minute task for it to finish. Then when it's done, you'll get an output like this. So what we're asking in the prompt is we're telling it, don't look at the most common databases like LinkedIn, Apollo, Info, and Crunchbase, because there's a very high chance if you're watching this right now, you cannot find your lead list or your company list on these databases. So we're telling it to look at other things like um, public registries, professional trade association directories, conference attendees, sponsor list, stuff like that. So in this case, I've already pre-opened up some links here. There will be still some work that you have to do. I'm sorry, this is not a complete silver bullet use case. But like here, for example, is a link mentioned in output that I thought was really, really cool because one, it's a massive list as you can see. But two, there are some really cool information that you can acquire. I think I saw some that had LinkedIn profiles, which is nice. Um, I don't know. I don't think you can access emails. So let's see. Oh yeah, this is if you want to get information from them. But if we click on this, or sorry, view profile, awesome. Yeah. So we actually get a phone number here. We get an overview of the company. So now you have to scrape this. There are different tools that you can use to scrape. For now, I don't want to make this the point of this video. For this video, I just want to show you that you can find really cool databases that it would probably be very hard and time consuming to find you doing this on your own manually. So this is the first problem that you're solving. The scraping problem that's for another video. Here, it looks like, yeah, there's actually a really great resource as well. It's probably very easy to scrape. You can probably scrape this with Instant Data Scraper. And yeah, exactly. If you haven't, by the way, gone Instant Data Scraper, I don't know what you're doing. Please get it ASAP. It's a free Chrome extension that for most use cases can just scrape a lead list like this. In this case, it's a company list, which is awesome. And then let's see. Oh, this one actually was not a good resource. But yeah, that's basically the gist of what you would get out of here. Again, you can go through every single link. Some links are not good. Like I'm not gonna sit here and tell you every link that it generates it's good, but that's where you still have to go in and do a little bit of work. But essentially, I think this would be a 30-minute task max for you to find the right directories for you to leverage and use. If you're not able to find information on again LinkedIn, Apollo, Zoom, Info, Crunchbase, because in this case, the use case, sorry, I think I should have mentioned this earlier, is veterinary clinics. When was the last time you saw someone open a veterinary clinic and say, you know what, I can't wait to make a LinkedIn page about this? It's quite rare. They are usually just on some sort of a directory like this, or Google Maps is another great way for you to do this as well. But there are other ways, I also want to be clear, there are other ways to do this that are a little bit more complex. But if you're just starting out, you just need some sort of a lead list for your salesperson to do, or if you're just a solo founder, you want to start with something like this example that I showed here. This should keep you busy for a very long time. Like this, I don't know, does this end? It's a pretty big list, right? So this is the easiest barrier to entry. Just use the prompts that I'm sharing with you. Update your ICP information. Wait 10 minutes for the AI to do its thing. Go through the links to see which one fits your need the most, and then proceed with the outreach as planned. Okay? I really hope you find this helpful. Reach out if you have any questions, and take care.